Hey guys, it's your own pal Joshua Cooley back here with another video. I'm gonna be testing my own smoke detector alarm for the first time. I'm so scared to do this, but anyways, I'm gonna try to do it. But wish me good luck, okay? You okay? Okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna do it now. All right, here we go. Wish me good luck. I'm gonna have earphones, and the smoke detector's very right there, where my finger's pointing. Right there. I'm gonna test it. Hopefully my parents doesn't watch this. I'm only gonna do this once and that's all. Okay. Gosh. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke detector. Face it. Okay. Alright, here we go. You guys ready? Get ready for the loudness. Alright guys, I'm gonna do this and go like this. That's how you do that. How about this? Let's do it one more time. One more time, guys, alright? One more. Three, two, one. That's how you do that, guys. Stop it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end this video right now. Alright. So now, I'm gonna put the matches back, okay? So I'll get you guys right back, alright? Okay. Alright, guys. Dang, that was really scary. That's how it works. It's my first time doing that. First time, guys. Alright, guys. So wait a minute, I'm gonna be back. I gotta get some stuff. I gotta put something. So just wait, guys, okay? Alright. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna throw this away, okay, guys? Just wait. I did it 2 times. What? 1 time or 2 times? Alright guys, I am in the back. Just wait, and I'll show you guys what I did. Alright. Just wait, guys. I gotta put the broom back here, okay? So yeah. Just wait, guys. I hope not. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna end this video right now. But let me tell you something. When I was doing the smoke detector, guys, look what the heck happened. When the smoke detector scared me, look what I did. I tear my parents' picture frame. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're really gonna kill me, I swear. I just broke my parents' picture frame. Oh my god, I don't know how long my parents been having that picture frame for. But anyways, guys, hopefully, thank you for watching this video. I know it's a little scary, but don't forget to comment, subscribe to Kylie the Gamer, Kaylin Vlogs, Kaylin Games. Kaylin Vlogs, Kylie the Gamer, Kaylin Vlogs, Kaylin Games. Please give them a lot of support and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Lil Fireboy, Stanley's channel. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right now, and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow or Saturday, okay? Or the day before Halloween. Alright, bye.